This is a review for the 3 Gourmesso Nespresso capsule set. They have 3 different intense espressos. Night Owl. There's also Late Night Lemur and Midnight Monkey. And these are all little dark roast espressos. They come, you get 2 packs of each of these for, I think it's about 60 in total, and they're supposed to be compatible with an espresso machine, so we're going to throw it into my Pixie over there and compare how it pours out to an actual, verified or official Nespresso capsule that I have, and we'll see how they go. I'm really excited. They have 3 different flavors, all different intensity, all dark roast, different amount of Arabica and Robusta beans in each one. And the one I'm actually going to do is the Night Owl, which has a chocolate taste, 85% Arabica, 15% Robusta, and it's a dark roast. So there's some nice information about each one here on the back, so we'll go give that a try. So here you can see the 3 different capsules. This is the Midnight Owl we're going to use, and comparing that with the actual Nespresso capsule here. So if you look at the 2 of them, they look like they're about the same size, shape, and everything will work. So we'll put in the Nespresso one first, do a pour of that, and compare it to this Gourmesso one. So here's the Nespresso capsule. It's going to be an espresso shot. So a nice espresso shot there. Get that out of the way and try the Gourmesso one. Put the same type of cup right here. Pop in the Gourmesso. Close that and give this one. So from the looks great. Looks like they poured about the same. Put them down here beside each other. So on the left here, this one, that's the Nespresso, and on the right is the Gourmesso one. You can see they look virtually the same, so the machine is using it properly, and give each one a quick taste and compare and let you know how it is. Taste test. The Nespresso one. Tastes good. Tastes like the Nespresso that I make usually. That's the Gourmesso one. It's really nice actually. It's a little warmer because I made it after I made the first one, and you can definitely taste it's a darker roast. There's that chocolate flavor. If you're not a fan of dark roast, you'll want to look for other ones that they have. I like dark and light roast, but overall it tastes actually really, really nice. I think this was $21. You can get 60 capsules, which is way cheaper than if you're going for the Nespresso one. So if you want something that tastes good, and you can pick, they have a ton of different kinds, not just the 3 that I have here. It's a great option. I mean, it's a lot cheaper, it'll work in your machine, looks great, tastes great, so enjoy.